Hi, welcome back to Mother Clucker's Keto Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a fat head tortilla chip. First thing we're going to do is you're going to get any kind of microwave safe bowl. I'm going to use just a 4-cup Pyrex bowl. You're going to shred mozzarella cheese. Do not use prepackaged cheese. It has cellulose and starch in it. That's what actually holds it together so that it doesn't stick like this will. So you're going to want to use 1 3/4 cups of cheese, fresh mozzarella. To that, we're going to add almond flour. This is just a regular old almond flour that I put in here from Natural Grocers. As you can see, it's really fine. This isn't the thick stuff. So we're going to use 3/4 of this. We're going to mix that up. Try and get it all coated, because what we're going to do is we're going to melt this in the microwave. To this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of full-fat cream cheese. And this really isn't going to mix very well. Kind of put it in the middle or so. Alright. We're going to pop this in the microwave for a couple of minutes. We're going to let it melt, bring it back out. A couple minutes, and we're going to stir it together. And then we're going to add 1 beaten egg. And I use fresh eggs. You can use store-bought eggs. I would use organic eggs. They taste a lot better. And then to that, we're going to add some spices. And we'll be back in just a few. Alright, welcome back. We're just waiting on this to ding. We're going to grab our mixture. This is what it's going to look like. You're going to stir it. You want to get that cream cheese mixed in with the almond flour. This is actually going to start making a dough, as you can see. Just like so. This is all melted in there. You can make a little pocket because you're going to be adding spices and an egg into a hot mixture, which usually doesn't work so hot. You don't want to cook the egg. Alright, so our spices are a teaspoon of ground coriander, teaspoon of cumin, and just a pinch of chili powder, and I use hot chili powder. We're going to add that, and we're going to incorporate this as well as we can. And this is blazing hot, of course. And we're going to add 1 beaten egg to this mixture. And then we're going to stir this up. And this is a little difficult. And trying to get it all mixed in as well as you can. This takes somebody who's got some strong hands. That is not me. Alright. Now, we have a lovely lump of dough right here. Looks to be all incorporated. I'll take 2 sheets of parchment paper. I'm going to plop that out on there. Put another sheet on top. It's warm. And we're going to roll this out, hopefully into a rectangle. Let's see how well I know my shapes. You want it pretty thin. Try and keep it on your parchment paper because you're actually going to use the bottom sheet to throw back in the oven. And bake. Your oven needs to be on 425. We're gonna bake these, or this whole thing, for about 15 minutes. Get this out. Mind you, this is hot. Whew. Get it kind of as thin as you can. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to get a baking pan. Slide it right on top of there. You're going to pull that top sheet off. Your dough should look just like this. And this is what we're going to cut after we heat it up to make tortillas. Alright, so preheated oven to 425, 15 minutes. And when that's done, we'll take it right back out. Alright, welcome back. We're going to get our dough, fathead pizza dough, tortilla dough, or whatever kind of dough. You can use this to make pizzas also. So you can see it's crunchy. Should be that way. Should hold up. And then we're going to slice it. Usually I just take a pizza cutter. This is hot. So you can cut it however you want. This one got a little crunchy in the middle. That will happen. You can make these however you want. You can make triangles, you can make rectangles. If you're really ambitious, you can make circles. I'm not that ambitious. Alright. So, and this is what they look like. And these are really good. You can eat them plain, or you can eat them with the guacamole that we're going to make. Sorry. Okay, so our guacamole is really simple. This is just going to be, you can either use 2, 3 avocados, however you want to do it. Put the insides out. We'll cut up another one. Maybe. That one might be still a little hard. This is what I usually make when I have a softer avocado. This one, I'm going to get the seed out. It's okay to get a little messy. Alright, so to this, we're going to kind of mush this up a little bit. You can either leave it chunky. A lot of people like it smooth. You can put it in a processor. If you're really good, you can beat it till it's smooth. Sorry guys. That's the husband watching the car show. Alright. We're going to add a quarter cup, of just a salsa. Try and find the lowest sugar one that you can, or a sugar-free one. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to wash my hands real quick. Oops. And we're going to put that other avocado in here. To this, we're going to add a little bit of cumin, some salt, and some lemon juice. Let's see if I can do this without cutting my hands off. Usually to get those out, if they don't come right out, I'll squeeze it. Alright, so we crunch this one up. Getting a little messy here. Alright, so we've got our guacamole mix, our avocados. And we put 3, I think they're about medium ones. One was a little on the smaller side, so I went ahead and used 3. To this, you're going to add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now, I did not add any onions to this. You can add onion. Add whole tomatoes if you like to. Jalapenos. I didn't because I have little kids that are going to eat this. We're going to add about a teaspoon of cumin. Mix that in. Now, normally I would add some onion, a jalapeno, usually some red pepper flakes, because I like things a little spicy. I will be having kids eat this, so we're not going to do that. And we're going to add just a little bit of cilantro to that. And that's it. Add a little salt. We will take one of those, give that a quick whirl. And this is a very keto friendly. You can use this as a snack, appetizer, make it a meal. That's really good. Alright, we will see you next time. Have a great night.